Fury.
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 Rage.
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 Anger. Anger.
157 Anger Platformer. Let me read some wise sayings and quotes related to anger. I would like to inform you that the content may change depending on the situation. Star, face the truth with cold anger. Father Hem Se-woon, the Catholic Priests Association for Justice. Star, I often get angry when I talk to my mom. Song Haiju, finally, something started to change. Star, anger only lives in the hearts of fools. Einstein. Star, you were not punished because you were angry, but because of your anger. Sakyamane. Star, when you're angry, make them study, why are they angry, and you realize that there's nothing to be angry about. Buddhist monk Byaprian. Star, if you are right, there is no reason to be angry. You deserve to be angry if you're wrong. Mahatma Gandhi. Star, anger stimulates blood circulation. Therefore, it is good for your health to be angry sometimes. Gustave Flaubert. Star, by getting angry once, the virtues that have been accumulated for a long time all fall at once. Daebo Jiang. Star, peak time of stress hormones is 15 seconds. An extreme situation can be prevented if you can endure only 18 seconds of calming hormones. Dr. Baek Jong-woo. Star, if you're angry, think about the consequences of being angry. Confucius. Star, a knife is dangerous when a crazy person lifts it, but also when a person who thinks he or she is righteous. Because he swings it without hesitation. Ballad Surge. Star, anger is a baby who desperately wants to take care of him. When you are angry, you must not suppress your anger, return it immediately from anger, avoid anger and find pleasure, and pour anger into the wrong place by punching sandbags, and welcome it once you are angry. Thich Nhat Hanh. Star, grandmother told me. Don't be angry or upset. If you're angry, turn around and count to 3. Then your anger will go away. Great singer Park Song-hee. Star, speak clearly to your ego. The result of anger is like a serpent wrapping a saw all over its body, and your ego will instruct the brain. That anger is self-inflicted. The brain will then immediately wake up to shut off the anger hormone cortisol and shut your mouth. Harrison.P. and Perilous Soul. Everyone, after reading each wise saying and related quote, if you could choose just one on the subject of anger, what would it be? Navigate your life. It was an alive map.